Hello friends, in the previous video we have discussed Sutherland-Haugman polygon clipping algorithm. Now in this video we will solve few numericals based on Sutherland-Haugman polygon clipping. So let's start. In the first question we want to clip polygon A, B, C, D, E against clipping window by using Sutherland-Haugman polygon algorithm. In Sutherland-Haugman polygon clipping algorithm, we start from left side, then right side, then bottom, and then top side. So first we clip polygon from left side, left boundaries of window. First we draw two attributes, vertex pair and output vertex. The vertex pair contain the line which we want to clip. So first AB, for line AB we want to clip from left side, so only AB and AE, these two lines will be clipped, and for the rest line or edges according to condition their point will be stored in output vertex. So here the main object is to store or is to clip the AB and AE. In AB, this is intersection point I1. So in this case, when we are going from out to in, so we store intersection point and second point, end point. For BC, when we are incoming, so we store only second point. For CD, when we are going outside, so again we store only second point. Now for DE, as per the condition, we store only end point E, and for EA we store intersection point I2. After left clipping, now in step 2 we clip from right side. So this time we clip CD and DE line. Now again we draw two columns, one for vertex and second for output vertices. So first for line IB we store only second point B. For BC we store only second coordinate C. CD, which we want to clip, so here we store only intersection point I3. For DE we store intersection point and second point I4E. For EI2 we store only second intersection point I2, and for I2 I1 we store again second intersection point I1. So after perform this from right side, we obtain these coordinate. Now we do from bottom side. So in this time we are interested to clip in this line and this line. Again we draw two attributes, vertex pair and output vertices. For I1B, output vertex will be store only B. For BC line, in output vertex list we store only second coordinate C. In CR3 we store only second coordinate I3. For I3, I4 we want to clip this, so again we store only new intersection point, that is I5. For I4E, both are outside, so no store any vertex. For EI2 we want to clip this, so we store new intersection point I6 and intersection point I2, and for I2 I1 we store I1. Now in the last we clip from top side, so this time we are interested to clip in I1B and BC. For rest we store only second coordinate in output vertices. Here we check vertex pair and output vertex. For I1B, new intersection point IS will be stored. For BC, new intersection point I8 and C will be stored. For CR3 we store only second point I3. For I3 I5 we store second coordinate I5. For I5 I6 we store second coordinate I6. For I6 I2 we store second coordinate I2, and for I2 I1 we store second coordinate I1. So the final clip polygon contain the point, these point, and the resultant clipped polygon will be this. So this is all over the video. Thank you.